Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Batman The Telltale Series Episode 5. Das Ende rückt näher. Aber wir schauen uns wie immer, wenn wir hier im Bettcomputer sind, der Codex neu an. Was haben wir? Hä? Was haben wir denn da aktualisiert? Da war nichts. Gotham City aktualisiert. Grässlicher Mord in einem Haus im Stadtzentrum von Gotham. Die Polizei von Gotham hat gestern Nachmittag einen grässlichen Doppelmord im Haus von John und Patricia Vale entdeckt. Die Polizei erhielt einen anonymen Hinweis, woraufhin eine Streife zum Haus im Stadtzentrum von Gotham geschickt wurde. So nach später. Ah, okay, dann ist das nur die einzige News. Da schauen wir mal hin. Die schauen wir. Stadtzentrum von Gotham geschickt wurde und dort die geschundenen und verstümmelten Leichen der Wales entdeckte. Die Polizei musste schockierend feststellen, dass der 8-jährige Sohn der Wales sich unversehrt im Haus versteckt hielt. Polizeiangaben zufolge hat der Junge den Mord an seinen Eltern mit ansehen müssen. Der Junge wurde dem Jugendamt übergeben und erhält psychiatrische Fürsorge, wo er untergebracht wird, und ob er sich je von den Geschehnissen erholen wird, ist ungewiss. Ja, und jetzt machen wir weiter mit der VR-Maske. Spiegelung untersuchen, denn Alfred wurde entführt von Lady Arkan. Und wir haben ein Video bekommen oder so, und Alfred hat immer die Brille irgendwie so bewegt, und da hat sich dann gespiegelt, und anhand von dem werden wir rausfinden, wo sich Alfred.
Paint us a picture. Here we go.
Kinder von Arkan.
Must be one of the thugs Alfred fought upstairs.
Stairs leading up. Cement walls. We're in a basement. Alfred's trying to look at things that might give us a clue to where he's being held. Professional grade camera. Probably came from the Gazette's office. Okay, looks like we've seen all there is to see in this frame. Let's move on to Alfred's next signal.
You got it.
Doesn't seem to be anything else here.
Let's keep looking.
Wasserboiler.
A service company for the water heater. I can use their records to find home addresses for their clients.
We're getting closer.
Yeah, but we're not there yet. Nothing else to see here.
Moving on.
Das ist ja cool, echt.
Lady Arkan. Keep searching. A Mason stamp.
Only one Masonic lodge in the city. Gotham City Fraternal Order of Stonemasons.
So the house was built in 1945 by them. That's a big lead.
Richtiger
Jump to
Hinweis.
Alfred's next signal.
You got it.
The
Was ist das
basement
denn?
window.
What's that outside?
Give me a second. They're by a bus stop.
There we go.
Non-stop. Push, geht doch.
Okay,
Push
I
das
think we have enough to pinpoint a location.
Well, let's hope.
Hoffentlich, ja. Unglaublich, ey. Benutze das Fadenkreuz, um Filter auszuwählen. Also Baujahr.
Okay, filtering for all homes built on that date.
Datum gebaut wurden. Keller.
I can get the
Busstation.
bus line from this, but no stop number. This will help pinpoint the neighborhood.
Reparaturprotokoll.
These are all the homes serviced by this water heater company on the days and months listed. A corner store. Seems unlikely.
Tante Emma Laden, ja.
bowling alley.
Bowlingbahn.
Damn it.
Verdammt auch
Let's keep
nicht.
looking. You are
Das
not
werden
going to
Sie mir
believe
nicht
this.
glauben.
What is it?
Lady Arkham
Lady
is back
ist
at the
wieder
Vale
im Haus
House,
der Wales.
where she killed her foster parents. According to its records, it has a basement.
Ein Keller?
Well, just in case she's expecting you.
Oh,
What is that?
Something I almost didn't get to finish because of Penguin. It's the most advanced version yet.
Lady Arkham will have no idea what I've got up these sleeves.
ich auch nicht.
Well done, Lucius.
You've been long overdue for an upgrade. This suit is beyond state-of-the-art.
Okay. Ah, fühlt sich gut an.
This ends tonight.
Boah, kräftiger und viel stabiler und Panzerung. Ja, wunderbar. Ja, passt. Hält. Whale anwesend. Aber ob sie noch da sind?
Heading into the basement. Be careful.
Seien Sie vorsichtig, ja. Um dich zu bewegen, also. Aber der Schatten zeigt doch schon,
Batman! I'm all right.
nice, was für Spielereien hier doch sind. Okay, das ist der Keller,
There's no one here. No Alfred. Damn it!
aber
There's blood on the walls.
das ist der
Let's
Keller,
see what I can find. Standing by.
den wir gesehen haben vorhin. Nicht mehr ganz sicher.
Alfred's blood is still fresh. Means we can't be far behind them. This is where they had Alfred. Where they beat him.
Wo sie ihn geschlagen haben, war nur eine Person. Aber das ist eindeutig der Keller. Blut, die Richtung
Alfred.
Wand geht.
There's a boot print in the blood. Lady Arkham's soldiers dragged him. The trail stops at the wall. Actually, it goes under it.
Sounds like there's more to this basement than it would appear.
Taking a closer look.
Ja gut, das sieht auch aus.
The wall is just a facade.
Why would the Vales have a false wall in their basement?
Ja.
Now let's find out where the Vales were hiding. There's a small room
Kleiner Raum mit einem Abfluss.
with a hole in the floor. A rope
Strickleiter.
ladder.
Anyone down there would be trapped.
Rufen? Ich weiß nicht, ob das gescheit ist, wenn wir jetzt hier reinrufen. Dann wissen sie schon, dass wir da sind.
I'm going inside.
Mein Gott. Hier wurde Ricky wahrscheinlich...
Bruce, what's down there? Do you see Alfred?
No. It's some kind of torture chamber. Shackles, belts, blood.
What?
Und Alfreds.
Vicky. She was kept down here. Locked away.
Who could do that to their child?
I'm beginning to understand.
What is there to understand? To willfully hurt a child?
It's why she killed the Vales. They abused her.
I'm not saying what she did was right, but I can't imagine what she went through.
The Vale's foster children may not have been the only ones to suffer here. I followed Alfred's blood into this hole. If he had any opportunity at all, he would have left me a clue.
Oh mein Gott.
There are drawings. Vicky must have drawn them when she was a prisoner. The chalk here is different, newer.
Oh mein Gott.
Bloody scratches, fingernails. Someone tried to climb out.
Alfred?
Nein.
No. The belt. It's caked in blood. Shackles. Blood on them. Old.
Alt und
New.
neu.
Vicky did to Alfred what was done to her. Disturbing. Vicky created her here, in this room. This is where Vicky Vale became Lady Arkham. One piece apart from the others. Red. The same color as my tech. Can't be a coincidence. Maybe... words. They're highlighted. Taking
Merkmale.
me.
Ich fürchte mich.
Those towers.
Diese
That
Türme.
must be Arkham
Das muss
Asylum.
Webcam Asylum sein.
Alfred left me another clue.
Mein Gott. Das ist ja grausam, was hier drin passiert ist.
This is what he wanted me to find. To see. He spelled it out here. Taking me. And used Vicky's own drawing of Arkham for the location.
Arkham? But people would know. The staff would see them.
That's the final piece. Arkham. She's been using Wayne Enterprises to get access to the buildings with Wayne Tech security systems, including Arkham Asylum. She's going to open the doors, release the inmates, and she took Alfred with her. Call Gordon and the GCPD.
I'm on it.
Lady Arkham won't be expecting us. We'll catch her by surprise.
Mein Gott. Also, der Verlauf der Geschichte ist momentan gerade echt schockierend. Salinas Appartement. Hä? Da stimmt aber was nicht.
Everything good?
Orderlies are rounded up.
That's the last of it then.
The children of Arkham have taken over.
That suit's no slouch. You're well prepared for a fight. And the GCPD are on their way to deal with the inmates. If you can find Alfred, maybe you can get him out of there before all hell breaks loose.
Almost ready. Let her know.
Copy. On our way. Go ahead. I got this.
Okay, das Finale beginnt, Leute. Es wird spannend, es bleibt spannend. Und
Batman. This ends now, Vicky. Tell me where Alfred Pennyworth is.
The butler. Bruce Wayne has a bat on his payroll.
Answer the question.
Where he is doesn't matter. He'll be dead soon. Another corpse in Bruce Wayne's family.
He's done nothing to you. He's not part of this.
Of course he's a part of this. He's the one man Bruce Wayne might actually care about. Besides himself. His suffering will teach Wayne a lesson. One he and all of Gotham needs to learn. They won't look the other way. Not again.
And when did Gotham look away from you?
Don't try to psychoanalyze me, Batman. You have no idea what I've done to come this far.
Ja, wir wissen, was du alles
Too
durchgemacht
much
hast.
to turn back now.
I've been to your home. I've seen where the Veils kept you. People like them, they deserve to be behind bars.
Behind bars. They deserved and got far worse than that.
Even if they did, no one else needs to die.
You're wrong. Your time's run out.
Wenn man doch nur rausfinden würde, warum solche Leute das machen.
There's nothing you can do, Batman. You underestimate the true children of Arkham. These souls kept behind bars. Open the doors! Arkham! Listen to me! Freedom is yours! The only one standing in your way is Batman.
Batman.
He stuck me in here!
Me too. Let me at him.
He's the crazy one!
Oh yeah. Ich will euch nichts tun, also lasst mich in Frieden. So. Komm auf. Geht in Sicherheit. Okay, Wiki entkommt nicht. Wir holen sie uns.
You're not getting away, Vicky.
Kommt hier, Wiki. So. Der hier mit der Küche verbinden. Mit der Tür. Taser kannst du an dir selbst aus. Nee, Quatsch. Nee! Kann ich das rückgängig machen? Ah, okay. Ja, so machen wir es. Aua. Jetzt kommt der größte. Bam! Die Maske ist weg. Hast du ja die Haare geschossen?
Batman!
Take your time, Saz.
That's the plan.
Ach ja, Kollege. Glaubst du echt, du hast irgendeine Chance gegen mich? Ist jetzt gut jetzt? Oh, der Joker. Wirklich Experience.
Such a pleasure.
Welch eine Freude, deine Arbeit persönlich zu sehen.
Batman!
Lady Arkham has a hostage.
We've got the inmates. Lock it down!
Gott, was ist mit dem los, Mensch?
There's no way out now.
There's always another way here, Batman. All the people that Thomas Wayne condemned to this place unwillingly, they speak through the walls. Their ghosts walk. They know the way.
I can't help those people now, but I can help Alfred Pennyworth. Take me to him.
My pleasure.
Ja. Was? Was geht ab hier, Mensch? Ich bin Two-Face.
Vicky!
Ja, wirklich.
You're not well, Vicky. You need professional help.
Says the man dressed as a bat.
Let him go!
The butler has to die.
Nein, muss er
For
nicht.
Thomas Wayne's sins. He took away my family, so I'll take away his sons. If you really want to save the butler, bring me Bruce Wayne. If anyone can find him, it's you. He's probably cowering behind a 12-inch thick wall and 100 bodyguards right now.
I'll bring you Wayne. But first, let Alfred Pennyworth go.
No. Afraid he's too useful to do that just yet. You're doing so much for one old man.
Ja. Kacke, ich habe Shift-Taste nicht gedrückt. Ich habe Control aus Versehen. Ich habe aus Versehen Control gedrückt. Scheiße. Mann, okay, nochmal.
Vicky, stop playing games.
This isn't a game to me. You know, Batman, I really don't understand. Why are you fighting me?
Warum kannst du
I've done
gehen?
great things for Gotham. Falcone and Hill deserved to die. If anything, I did you a favor. We're fighting the same fight, Batman. Can't you see that? We want the same things.
Those men deserved their day in court, just like everyone else.
So they could have gotten off like they did so many times before? No, Batman. They got exactly what they deserved. My justice is final and absolute. You shouldn't be here. You shouldn't be defending him. You think Bruce Wayne is any better than Spuren? He hides behind his status and wealth. He's a coward, leaving other men to carry his burdens.
Du hast keine Ahnung.
You aren't my enemy, Batman. Wayne is.
Wayne ist nicht dein Feind. Und wenn Wayne dein Feind ist, dann ist Batman auch dein Feind. Denn Batman ist Wayne.
I'm curious, Batman. I know why I wear the mask. It's who I am. Who I was always meant to be. What about you? Do you wear the mask to hide? Or to become who you really are? Are you the man? Or the mask?
The mask is a symbol. Some fear it. But for others, it brings hope.
When I first saw it, I found it inspiring. And once you're dead, I'm going to mount that mask on my wall. But first, I'll see the man beneath.
Okay. Der Kampf beginnt. Wie es endet, werden wir in der nächsten Folge sehen.